Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. For this video I'm going to show you how to take a memorable image and put it on a sublimation project. Now I'm going to do this on a tumbler, but you can use anything. A pillowcase, blanket, a metal sublimation sheet, basically anything you want. You can put it in a little locket, whatever it is that you want to do for a memorable keepsake. So for this project, I'm going to be taking handprints of the kids and I'm going to be putting them on a sublimation tumbler. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. First off, you use ink or non-toxic paint, whatever you prefer. I got some black paint here that's non-toxic. It's made for kids. So what I did was take each of the kids' hands and put it in the ink and then pressed a handprint on a piece of white paper. Then after I did that with each of the kids, I let the handprints dry, and you can label these if you want. It's entirely up to you. So once you get all of the handprints gathered up, or once I've gathered up all the handprints that I want for this project, now if you're doing this for one kid, maybe you want the 2 handprints and 2 feet prints. If it's for a baby, keepsake, whatever it is that you're aiming to do, the sky's the limit with whatever the keepsake is or memory that you want to have. But for this project, I'm taking handprints, 1 handprint from each of the kids, and I've gathered them all up. Next thing you got to do is you got to scan them into your computer with your scanner, or take a photo of them and upload it into your computer. Whatever is easier or more convenient for you. I scan them into the computer. That's how I did this. And you can use whatever color ink or paint that you want. I used black because it was irrelevant to the project I was doing. But if you wanted to keep like the whole details of the handprint, you can make them pick a color that you want to use for maybe this project. I customized them in the Cricut design space to be all a different color, and then I measured my cup on how much space I had to work with. I made a square of that size and I fit them all into that square so that I would be able to fit them all on the cup. So I resized them, I changed the color, I made each handprint a different color. Now you can add the names in here if you want, if that's what you're looking for, age, date, whatever it is you want to do to keep this memory or a keepsake for you. So once I got all of them sized and just the way I want them, I printed them out, and then after I printed them out, I cut each handprint out. And see, I could have attached them all together and they would have printed out in that order, and I could have just wrapped it around the cup if I wanted. There is a couple of ways that you can do this project, but I just printed them all out because I knew they were going to fit. After I cut them all out, I placed them all around the tumbler so that they all were in the spots that I wanted to. None were overlapping. I wanted to be able to make sure that they pressed properly. So once I get that done, I put them in the mug press or cup press that I have here. I heated it up and I pressed them for 65 seconds at 400 degrees. that's just what I found works for my tumblers and my mug press. The time and heat varies depending on the mug press or heat press that you're using. So once I get this all done, them all cut out and all taped onto the mug, I put them on the mug press and press them on there. Now wait until you guys see the results of this. I think it turned out amazing. I'm so happy with the end results. This turned out to be such a cute cup. I absolutely love it. Now, like I said before, you can do this same technique with anything on anything sublimation. You can do a baby hand and baby footprint with birth date and name if you want. You can put it on a pillow, a puzzle, a hat, a sweater, a shirt, whatever you're looking for. You can even put them on aluminum photo frames or aluminum photo sheets that you can put in a frame and hang it up on the wall. You can put them on little heart ornaments and set it up on a shelf. There's so many options to choose from on making a cute little keepsake. I've taken family pictures, I've taken outings that we've been on, photos of outings that we've been on, and I've put them on pillows. I've put them on canvases to hang up on the walls, put them on pillows to set up as decorations around the house. It's very nice to have these memories and keepsakes. I love making them, and I've made them for clients. It's nice to have something that when the kids grow up, you will be able to remember the times when they were small. You will be able to remember moments in their childhood. You can do it with people that you want to remember that passed away. There's all kinds of reasons why people want these keepsakes. So here is the final result after it's been pressed. Now the colors, they just came out amazing. I'm always happy with sublimation and the way that the colors just brighten right up. This tumbler is so cute. I'm so happy with the end result. I've done a similar project where I've taken their handprints and I've put them on one of those 3x3 pillows, sublimation pillows, and I put in the center our family name, and around the 8 spots around the center I put their handprint with each of their name. It's a very cute memory keepsake, that pillow that I will always have. And like I said before, you can do this on a mug. If you prefer drinking out of a mug, you can do this on a pillow, blanket. They even have sublimation lockets you can put these kind of things on. Pretty much anything sublimation you can turn into a keepsake. It really depends on what you're looking for and what you decide to create in your head. So what do you guys think of this tumbler that I made? Let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you are new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. I make all kinds of crafting videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day.